Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to do your very own gradient nails. So let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so the materials you're going to need for this video are a sponge such as this one. It does have to be squared at some point in the sponge because you're going to need it for your gradient. I'm also going to use a base coat. I'm not going to be using a peel-off base coat for this design because I want it to last a little longer. I'm also going to use a top coat and the colors you're going to need for your design. Now, for my design, I'm going to be using these two colors. You could use any other colors you want, and you could go ahead and add more colors if you want as well. And lastly, I'm going to be using liquid latex just so I don't make a mess around the cuticle of my nail. So let's just get on with the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I am going to do is I am going to apply my base coat on all of my nails. Okay guys, so the next step is to paint your nails with the lightest color nail polish that you're going to use in the gradient. So in my case, it would be this one because the darkest color I would use is this. So you want to make sure you're putting the lightest color that the gradient is going to have. So let's get on with that. Okay guys, so the next step is to now get our liquid latex and put it all around our cuticle, and be careful not to put it on your actual nail because it will rip off the nail polish. So let's go on and do that. Okay guys, so the next step is to actually do the gradient. So we're going to put the lightest color at the top and then the darkest at the bottom. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that in just a minute. Okay guys, so this is what the gradient looks like, and I only did do one coat of nail polish because my colors were opaque and I didn't really need another coat. If you use lighter colors, you will need more than one coat for sure, but I did use opaque colors and I didn't need another coat. So now I'm just going to peel off the liquid latex and then apply my top coat, and let's just get on with that. Okay guys, so to finish the design, we are going to add our top coat. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and I hope you guys liked the video and found it useful. And go subscribe to my channel down below and hit the little bell next to that so you guys never miss my videos. And just thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.